Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in its category, the Microplane Premium Classic Zester Grater. If you're passionate about cooking and want a tool that offers precision, durability, and versatility, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The Microplane Premium Classic Zester is designed to revolutionize the way you zest, grate, and enhance your dishes. What sets this tool apart is its ultra-sharp, photo-etched stainless steel blade, made right here in the USA. Unlike traditional graters that can be dull and inefficient, this zester features 400 micro teeth, allowing you to effortlessly remove just the flavorful outer rind from citrus fruits while leaving behind the bitter white pith. This means you get pure, fresh zest that elevates everything from vinaigrettes to baked goods. But it's not just for citrus. The fine grating blade is ideal for hard cheeses like Parmesan, Asiago, Pecorino, and Padano. It creates fluffy, delicate mounds that melt beautifully, perfect for finishing your pasta, eggs, or salads. Beyond cheese and citrus, this tool excels at finely grating garlic, ginger, nutmeg, chocolate, and even spices like cinnamon. You can even use it creatively, such as scraping burnt spots off baked treats or shaving corks to fit bottles. The possibilities are truly endless. One of the highlights of this zester is its surgical-grade stainless steel blade. This high-quality material is rust-resistant and maintains its sharpness over time, ensuring that your tool stays effective for years. The blade's precision and sharpness mean you get clean, effortless grating without any tearing or ripping, which is a common issue with lower-quality graters. Ergonomics are also a priority with this product. The handle features a soft-touch grip designed for comfort and control, so whether you're zesting a single lemon or grating cheese for a large meal, your hand won't tire quickly. Its long, narrow shape makes it easy to handle and store, and because it's magnetic, you can hang it on your magnetic knife strip, keeping your kitchen organized and your favorite tool always within reach. Cleaning is a breeze. You can rinse it immediately after use, and for tougher bits, a kitchen brush can reach the underside of the blade. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup convenient and hassle-free. In terms of size, the Microplane Premium Classic Zester measures 12 inches in length and just under 2 inches wide, with a lightweight feel that weighs about 110 grams. This makes it portable and easy to maneuver, but still sturdy enough to handle all your zesting and grating needs. The timeless design of this zester isn't just functional, it adds an elegant touch to any kitchen. It comes in a range of colors to match your style, but the black version remains a classic favorite for many. In summary, the Microplane Premium Classic Zester offers superior cutting performance, exceptional versatility, and a comfortable grip, all wrapped up in a sleek, durable design. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this tool can enhance your cooking experience by delivering consistently perfect zest and finely grated ingredients every time. If you want to bring a little zest into your life and upgrade your kitchen tools, the Microplane Premium Classic Zester is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.